Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm great.
What is your name?
My name is Gold.
Okay, Gold, it's very, very nice to meet you. Good, Gold. Okay, Gold, today you have a speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. So first, Gold, tell me, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, Gold, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken and rice.
What about your favorite drink? What's your favorite
My
drink?
favorite drink is lemonade.
Lemonade. Okay. What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is
Who's your favorite animal?
my favorite animal is the elephant.
Okay, great. Now, look at this picture. Okay? This is a nice picture. Here is television. Where is the camera? Can you show me the camera?
Camera.
Okay, good. Where's the window? Good. Now look at these cards over here, okay? Which is the giraffe? Okay, I will take this giraffe and I will put the giraffe next to the radio over here, okay? Let's leave the giraffe over there. Which is the car?
Car.
Okay, now put the car in front of the bookcase.
In front of.
Put the car in front of the bookcase. Where is the bookcase? Okay, so put the car in front of the bookcase. Alright, put it back over there. Let's put this back over here. Let's put the giraffe back over there. Now look at these cue cards again. Which is the watch?
Yes.
Okay. Put the watch between the radio and the phone.
Between the radio phone.
Okay, good, put it back. Okay, good. Now look at these. What are these?
These are green bowl.
What color are the boats?
It green.
What is she doing?
The tree is lying in the bed
And
and watching television.
tell me about this girl.
The girl is
What is she wearing?
she is wearing blue blue dress.
What color is her hair?
Your hair is brown.
What is she doing?
She is painting.
Okay, very good. Now look at this. What is this?
Is orange.
Do you like drinking orange juice?
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana.
Banana.
Yes.
Okay. What's this?
Is horse.
What color is the horse?
The horse is brown.
Do you like riding a horse?
No.
You don't like riding a horse. Okay. What animal do you want to have? What animal would you like to have?
I like to have a dog.
Dog. Okay. Great. Great. All right. What is this?
Is keyboard.
Do you like skateboarding?
Yes.
What is your favorite sport, Gold?
My favorite sport is football.
Okay. What is this?
This is sofa.
Are you
This is
sure?
armchair.
What color is the armchair?
The armchair is red and white.
Have you got an armchair at home?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. Now, let's talk about food. Do you like eating meatballs?
Yes,
Who cooks dinner in your house? Who cooks dinner at your house?
please.
Who cooks food or dinner in your house? Does your mommy cook dinner? Does your father cook dinner? Who cooks?
My mom and my dad.
Okay, very good. That is the end of your test goal. Very, very nice to meet you. Goodbye.